This is two-stage snowblower bought yesterday from Canadian Tire. It looks pretty good. It's 212cc and I just built that what its final looks. So many people comments that it's like a build instruction is not good enough. So I can give you little instruction. So it's not difficult. It's just like a little technical. So first of all, you need to put this section first, little bar, and they have a little two screws, one in here and one in here, and it should be on the both side. So make sure before putting the tire in, you have to build this bar first. So after this bar, then next one you can put the wheels in, and it's pretty simple. So after wheels, then next one I will put this stuff to build in. And this is not difficult too. And for this bar, there's a two screws in both sides. You have to put that out and fit them. And the main technical thing is these things. So that's the most difficult part for me. I have to put at the end. So first you have to put these two screws in there. Then the next part I will put this part in, and there is two screws going here and other side. So you need like a wrench or some like proper tool which is not included to fix this, to tighten this up. And you can see, and this is the bar. You have to put this way first and then this way, and this is the little pin. If you don't put the pin, it will not move. After put the pin in, then you can actually move. Okay, in the last, there is the wire for self-drive. It will go exactly upper and going in the left side. So you can see like this one, it will go with that nut, and that wire will go in here, and it's exactly should be, this one should be stand up. Make sure it's tighten enough so it can work like that. And the other wire, which is for the auger, coming from here and all the way going in there. And same thing, you will put one screws here, and this is going in here. And this bar is for the gear. So this will one corner's going here, and it's going to here, and there is the pin you have to fix with that. So that's the way you can control the speed. So it's pretty tight, or that you can just move and it will move these things whatever speed you need. And this connection is for light. It's pretty simple. Just plug that in and then it will already, you can see there's the light connection. So this things I think is for draining the oil, but we don't need yet. So the only thing we need to put the oil in here, which should be 5W30, and it's not included in the box, so you have to buy separately. And then the fuel going in here. So everything looks nice in the package. So I have, this is little damage, little paint is off, but I can't return this because it's super heavy and I'm okay without that. So it looks pretty solid, it's pretty good. So once I will put the fuel in, I will try that out. And this is the auger look like. This is the oil we need to use in the engine, 5W30, and it's 946, and its user manual said it should be 0.6 liter. So make sure it should not be over when you fill that out. So here is the control. Here is a will go the key. So they provide two keys, and it will go here. Without that you can start the engine. This is the fuel on and off, and this is the choke. If in the cold engine you need in the same position, and after start you have to put back in here. And if the engine is hot, you can just leave in there and just restart. So we will fill the oil. Okay, my oil level is filled. Now need to put the gas. It should be filled. So my oil is filled. Now we should start. Also for chute cable, these are also going in here. You have to put the pin in to secure, and it will going in here. This is the first chute adjustment. So these two plastic things have to be covered, so make sure remove the packaging plastic, otherwise it will not go in. So it's just like fit like a screw. So it's coming with this tool, so don't throw that out. It will not helping for the assembly, but I think this is only for removing the spark plug. In future, if you need to be off the spark plug, so you will use this tool. And they have two keys, we can use them.